If you've been searching for how to change your email address on Gmail, there's an important thing to know right away. In most cases, you cannot actually change an existing Gmail address once it's been created. But don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you the best way to handle it by creating a new Gmail address, moving over your old messages and contacts, and then updating your email everywhere else so nothing gets missed. If this video helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is to create your new Gmail address. Open your browser and go to accounts.google.com/signup. This is Google's official account creation page. Once it loads, fill in your first and last name, choose the new email address you want, and create a strong password. Make sure the email you choose is easy to remember and professional if you're using it for work, school, or important accounts. After that, follow the prompts to verify your phone number and complete the setup. Once your new Gmail account is ready, you can begin transferring information from your old Gmail account. Now let's move your old emails. Open mail.google.com and sign in to the Gmail account you already use. In the top right corner, click the gear icon for Settings, then select See All Settings. From here, go to the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab. This is where you can set up forwarding so new messages sent to your old Gmail address can automatically go to your new one. Click at a forwarding address and enter your new Gmail address. Gmail will send a verification message to that address, so open your new inbox, confirm the code or link, and then come back to finish the setup. Once forwarding is enabled, any new emails sent to the old address can be forwarded to the new account, which makes the transition much easier. Next, you'll want to import your old emails and contacts so you don't lose anything important. Stay in Gmail and go back to Settings, then open Accounts and Import. Look for the option that says Import Mail and Contacts. When you click it, Gmail will ask you to sign in to the old account or allow access so it can copy over your messages and contacts. Follow the prompts carefully and choose what you want to import. This is a great way to make sure your old conversations, saved contacts, and important history all move over to your new account. After that, it's time to update your email address on every website and app you use. This part is very important because your old Gmail address may still be connected to banking apps, social media accounts, shopping websites, subscriptions, cloud storage, and other services. Start by making a list of your most important accounts, then log into each one and replace the old Gmail address with the new one in your profile or account settings. Don't forget to update recovery email settings too, so you don't get locked out later. If you use your email for work, school, or business, also let your contacts know about the change so they can reach you at the new address. A good tip is to keep your old Gmail account active for a while, even after you switch, because that gives you time to catch any messages or services you may have missed. You can keep forwarding on during this transition period so nothing falls through the cracks. So to recap, you usually can't directly change a Gmail address, but you can create a new one, forward your old mail, import your contacts and messages, and update your email everywhere else. That gives you a clean and secure transition without losing important data. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.